Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes, you have to firstly open phone application, open dial pad, and enter codes here. And the first code for today will be *##****4636 *##****, and this is the testing menu where you can check like lots of different informations about your phone, about your Wi-Fi connection, like a lot of interesting informations, kinda advanced on my opinion. The next code will be *##225 *##, and this is the calendar info. Like as you can see here, you can see lots of different calendars which could be useful. The next code will be *##426 *##, and this is the FCM Diagnostics menu. Here you can view your Wi-Fi connection status too, and lots of information about it. Very advanced too, for really advanced users. The next code will be *##6485 *##. This is the charging and battery info. Could be useful if you have something to do with your battery. The next code will be *##4x0 *##. This is the some other device info menu where you can find some useful informations. And the last code for today will be *#06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also me ID. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.